MUGAMBITHANIA kuthikira gamba hagati ya Abitha Ugima na thirikari ya Kaunti ya Meru ONESMUS MAKAU AKANENKANIRA ugambi bwa KCA akanenkana ugambi bwa KCA tariki 9 mweri wa Oktoba. MUGAMBITHANIA MAKAU narumbete NTEERE ichi yelinende kwithira nende kwigwa chaniri ugambi bwo no ratithira kyana iro ithira gita KOTI ABIRU muthuru muriuki no ina ndatoi
kwa kwemieri rinandi arigitani ndene Kaunti Meru bethuto bari mugmone nikenda bamba kwinyire thikare Kaunti Meru ibaingire mendekithia jao na mendekithia jao ni amwe madaktari kutithwa nkathi na bangi kuandikwa masibitari ne nikenda bomba kung'ana kuthwa kwina ndawa cia kung'ana kwenda mishara yao ya wakureo na menye gutikira mbecira bakugitwa bankine ikurwa kureo indi amajajo onthe nandi thirikari ya Kaunti Meru nekinyire kotini nikenda kwinyire madaktari baba bachoka sibitari kwita ngugi. MUGAMBITHANIA Justice ONESMUS agita watho kimekithiru ate madaktari baba betho bechoka ngugine.
Just to suspend the strike just for a few days to determine this matter, and the suspension was not in vacuum. I suspended it based on an agreement which is here dated some days in August.
That is in contention. That is not an agreement.
Yeah, but just based on that, because prima facie there was a document before me. And I made directions that let's suspend this, let's rescue the lives of people, and then we meet for a matter to be heard. And then you can see, I was already...
Inda muna popo, mturejuwa koro narua, eba kithikire kambareria o, alama wakili ba NTEERE chejire, boka ikotini.
We note that there was no return to work formula agreed. There was no agreement between the respondents and the petitioner. There were no resolutions on 29th and 30th August when it is claimed that the petitioner and the respondents came to an agreement.
The Lord, it is unfortunate that the counsel for the second respondent would argue that it is not the doctors to blame for lack of patience. But all those sentiments trivialize.
Na nyume kuthikire kambariri MUGAMBITHANIA Justice ONESMUS agwita geto karambi nigenda kwandike kambariri arantari kenda mweri wa 10 akethwa agita uge BWAWE.
Allow me to deliver this judgment on 9th of October. Interim order is extended till then.
Akiwa rutere ruria rukarega kung'anirwa no bete Court of Appeal nikenda kuonania kurega kung'anirwa kwao.
But I hope that I'll be able to deliver it on that day. I just pray that you guys are going to cooperate, allow the court to make a decision, and then if you are not satisfied, both sides have a right of appeal. And therefore, the best thing is to give the courts chance to determine disputes.
Muthuri Muriuki, Oro TV, Mutujwa Kangangi.